Well, it's time. What's up, people? Ronin back again. Ah, man. Wiper blades. The winter overall was kind of mild compared to winters past. But still, there was snow, there was ice, there was a mess. So, I've decided to start the spring with new wiper blades. Goodness gracious, man, these things are expensive. So, I had to do some research. I went online, watched a couple of videos on YouTube, and I went to the store. I went to the auto parts store as well as Walmart and did some price checking. There's a guy on YouTube, runs a channel. What is it called? Uh, Project Farm, I think it's called. And he does these comparison tests. You know, he compares different motor oils and different products that are made for, engines, cars. So this one particular episode, he was talking about wiper blades. He also did one on batteries. That was informative too. Shout out to him. Good job. So this particular video, he was talking about wiper blades. And I'm like, wow. So one of the wiper blades that he mentioned, I used before, and it was touted as being one of the best blades you could buy. But after watching his review, I see that it wasn't the best blade you could buy. That there was actually other wiper blades that work better. More expensive, but they work better. So today, I'm going to replace my driver's side wiper blade with a 24-inch wiper blade from Michellin. Yes, Michellin, the same company that brought you the tires. They also make wiper blades. I was shocked. Like, really? Michellin, they didn't went ahead and made wiper blades too? But a lot of companies are like that. They do more than one thing, you know. Just like I think I mentioned in an earlier video how Continental, when I bought the car that I have now, it came with Continental tires. Two of them are Continental. But I also know for a fact that Continental makes bicycle tires. And I was like, that's interesting. Not all companies do that. But it turns out that Continental started out making bicycle tires, and they moved away from that to car tires. They still make bike tires, but not as much as they do car tires. So, with that being said, let's see if we can't get this blade off. All right. So I got the camera set up on the hood. I hope it doesn't fall off. I'm thinking, yeah, I might be right about this. Crap. Like a flathead screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. Let's see. Well, it's coming loose, but it's not. Ow. Well, mission accomplished. I got it off. Now I gotta go grab the other one. Okay. Looking for something to open this package with. I don't want to tear the package up completely in case I have to take it back. Sometimes when they package products, it could be the same size, but it's not the right application. I've had that happen to me where I purchased something because it looked like the right size, and it was definitely the right size, but it might be missing a bracket or adapter or something, and I can't use it, so then I have to take it back. So I'm going to tear into the seam of the package and see if I can't get this out. Oh, okay. All right, I got it out, and it looks like it's not going to fit. The size itself is right. It's the right size, but I say it's not going to fit because the way the mountain bracket is made. Okay. So, what are my options? If I can get the mountain bracket, if I can get this bracket off and attach it to this somehow, it'll work. Other than that, I will have to take this back. Alright. Yeah, let's see what happens. Alright. Well, dirt. This piece is constructed in a way where it looks like it can come off, but it doesn't. It doesn't. So, two things you can do in a situation like this. One, keep the package intact and take the item back to swap it out for the exact item that you need. Or if you're a bit lazy and don't feel like making that long trip all the way back to the auto parts store or to your local Walmart, you can take out the blade itself. How do you do that, you say? Good question. I'm replacing this blade because it doesn't wipe at the end. If you can see this right here. I don't want my fingers getting in the way. But right there, yeah. So every time I turn the wiper blades on, I get this streak of water going across because it's not wiping. So there is one other way to do this. And that is by taking that piece out and replacing it with the newer one, assuming it fits. So that's what I'm gonna try now. Okay. Well, I got it started and it's falling apart. So the railing for the wiper blade housing is the only thing that was keeping it from okay. That's the old one. Now we replace it with the new one. Oh. It got snagged. Let's see. It's kind of flimsy. And I can see why people wouldn't want to fiddle around with something like this. Because you got to get this thing just right. Otherwise, you will have problems. Okay. Let's see. You ever had one of those situations where you're working on a project, you get all the way to the end, you think you're done, and there's something missing? Well, I hope I'm wrong, because that's the way I feel right now. I feel like I'm going to get to the end and then realize I forgot to do something. I missed a step. Oh, man, oh man. All right. Well, look like it's back on. Feels a little loose, but let's see if it'll wipe without flying off. Okay, that's slow. Let's try it on fast. It seems to be working decent. Look at this shine. Okay. So, this is the old piece, the old rubber blade. And they pretty much just held it in place with two little metal rods. Not a bad construction, I guess. Now, I did reuse the old bracket. It's a little loose, but it's holding on for now. So, as long as it doesn't fly off, I don't see any problems in the near future. I'll replace it with a complete new piece later on. Only like, what did I pay for that? 20 bucks? No, I didn't pay 20 bucks. The highest one was $20. I think I paid like 15, 14. It depends on your area. But yeah, the highest one that I saw was about $20. But like most people, you know, you not necessarily trying to spend that extra money, so you try to be cheap, but don't go too cheap. No, you can't go too cheap. So like I said, later on I'll probably get the whole assembly piece, do it the right way, do it the proper way. I won't say the right way, because both ways will work. There are situations where you can go to an auto parts store and just get this piece and replace this with the old rubber. But if you don't want to do that, you can always opt for buying the whole wiper blade. So that is it for today, people. Any comments or questions? Leave them down below, and I will talk to you later.